Hello everybody, how are we all? Gotta be a bit quick, it's pouring down with rain. The phone's waterproof, but gonna get the raindrops on the camera and it's gonna look silly. But anyway, today I'm off to somewhere where I've never had it before. And you're gonna be wondering, never had it before when I tell you. Well, you probably see by the thumbnail, but I have never ever had it before. Nat has and the lads have, but I haven't, so I'm going to have it today. Going to Subway. Never had a Subway in my life. Don't know why, these sort of places don't appeal to me. Subways, McDonald's, places like that, they don't usually appeal, so I don't usually have them. As I say, Nat doesn't, the lads do, but they're not sort of places where they'll like fill me up, if you get what I mean. But today I thought, well, I'm going to go and do one, so I've decided what I'm getting. I've already had a look. I'm going to get a couple of things because I'm going to have it. I might as well try a couple, mightn't I? So I'll show you in a bit. I don't know if I can record it now. If I can, I will. But we'll see anyway. If not, I'll show you when we get home. So, see you in a minute. Here we are, Subway. Hello, Bab. Can I have? I want a foot-long chicken tikka and cheese, please, toasted. Hearty Italian, please.
You okay?
Yeah, wet, wet.
What are you doing today?
Just a video. Gonna have something to eat.
Yeah, okay. Chicken toasted, yeah?
Yeah, toasted, yes, for that one, please. And I also want a foot-long ham, please. Hearty Italian again, please.
Cheese and toasted again?
No cheese on that one, just toast. And I want salad on that one, but I don't want it on that one. You been busy?
Lunch was busy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Good.
Now it's been quiet.
And I also want, well, I need another two, both foot-longs. Can I have a garlic cheese steak,
Yeah.
please? And a big Bombay, please.
Same bread?
Same bread, please.
One garlic and one Bombay. We say no sauce?
No salad on that one and no sauces, just as it is like that, please.
That eating or?
No, take away, Bab, take away.
Then, yeah?
Yeah.
One garlic cheese steak, one Bombay. Are you okay with the salad and sauce? What is listed on the next one?
Yes, salad, with this one, with the next one I want lettuce, red onion, and cucumber and mayonnaise, please.
Are you okay with the salad? What is listed for?
Yeah, everything on them ones, please. Ooh, what sauces shall I have on mine? Extra spicy. Oh yeah. Got my food back home. I'll just show you this, look. This is where that food challenge was. It's closed down, look. I think they've been doing some work. It's a listed building. And it's been closed down, I think. They must have been doing something naughty. So, that food challenge is out the window. That's why when I was going to do it the other week, it was closed. That's why. Never mind, eh? Home now then, and we'll first time trying the Subway. And we're home, and I'm soaking. Just took my coat off. Glassy probably can't see, pouring down with rain. Couldn't film a lot, it was just too wet. Yeah, so I got the Subway. Let's open it. Let's have a look. Oh dear, eh? Oh, lovely weather. Lovely weather. Bring you down a little bit, guys. Maybe around there somewhere. I don't know what's what. Some crisps. The lad wanted some crisps, so he's got them. Matt wants black cheese and onion with hers. And the lad wants a pop. So what have we got? They're not marked, are they? No, so I don't know which is which. Let me open them up and have a look. That's the lads, just a chicken tikka and cheese. You can see it in there. I'm not going to mess around with that one really because he's going to eat it. So he can take that one away. Put it out of the way. Jamie, come get it, mate. There's this. Well, what's next? You're on camera, son. So, this is... Yeah, let's try and open it and have a look. Upside down, that's Nat's, I think. That's Natalie's one. Oh. Which I'll show you at the table. Oh, there. Oh. Nah. And let's get mine out. I've got two, so I want to try them for the first time, so obviously I'm not going to eat all these in one go, if you get me. There's the one. It's full, ain't it? That's the garlic one, that is. And then I've got this one, the Big Bombay, is it, or something? The Big Bombay. It's a bit spicier. It's got spicy sauce on it, and I've had some, I've stuck some extra jalapenos on there. You can't see a lot in there, can you? Can you see that? I don't know whether you can or not. Anyway, let's get up the table. Let's have a go. Roxy pacing. Not in the food, ain't you, Rox? You've been sick, ain't you? Been poorly. Off them bones yesterday, didn't you? You had some bones, didn't you?
Get down.
Get down. You're not right up the table, get down. Yeah, she had some bones yesterday. Off that spare rib, and she's not really good with bones, is she, Bab?
No.
And she's been throwing up all morning, bless her. So this one is, I'm going to break them in half. This is the Big Bombay. Looks nice. First time ever on a Subway. Smells nice. Oh, I've got the top on as well, look.
Orange stuff. Is it sauce? Cheese.
That is extra spicy sauce, Bab.
Oh. We've got cheese.
Oh, that's spicy. Oh, that's got a kick. Oh. Want to have a look at that sauce?
Yeah.
I'll just show you that. She's not coming on. There it is. Ham and cheese. No, ham lettuce, onions, cucumber, and mayonnaise in it, Bab. There's yours. It's really nice. Like that's had them before, and the lads have had them. I haven't. Let me try this other one. Oh, spicy, Alice. That's got a kick.
Ham salad's my favourite.
Ham salad your favourite, sweetheart.
Yep.
Let's break this one in half.
And yours have to
Now
have
this is the
crisp.
garlic shredded beef or something, is it? I can't remember what it's called. Oh, I'm going to open this one. And arty Italian. I don't know what for bread to do. Arty Italian, I suppose. Good enough, ain't it? I'm not sure. Yeah, there it is. Let's have a crack.
Which one do you like best? Just make that.
Do you want some chicken tikka?
Oh, I don't like that.
Don't like that. I'm sweating, look at me.
No. Oh no.
They're both nice, you know. I'll see what people go to Subway. It's expensive though. £31 that cost me. Oh, I bought a bit much because I want to try a couple. With the beef one, the chilli, not the chilli, the garlic, that one. I don't know if it's the garlic overpowering it, but I can't taste a lot of seasoning on the beef.
I'd like to try that one. Has it got
You want to try?
jalapenos in?
No, that one hasn't. It's just got garlic. It's nice, but there's no. Is that all you can taste? All I can taste is the garlic.
Yeah.
That's all I can taste.
All it is the sauce.
The sauce. That's all I can taste.
Overpowers it.
Now with this one's nice. With the hot sauce, but it is spicy.
That's spicy, that is.
It is spicy, isn't it?
Don't like that one.
Would I go again? I probably would, you know. I
never used to eat Subway. Until Blake took me
You
there.
started going with Blake, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
My final thought, it's expensive, innit? It's 31 quid.
Mm.
It's expensive, innit? When you could have went to Weatherspoons, you'd probably get three meals for that, wouldn't you? Even if you pay 10 each for a meal, it's still only 30 quid, isn't it?
When me and Blake went, I had only half, and Blake had a full one. That cost me £17.
Yeah, so it's expensive, innit? Once in a blue moon, maybe.
For a change, yeah.
For a change. I know these are foot longs. They do the smaller ones, don't they? 6-inch. All in all, yeah, I will eat it. Because I enjoy it, but I prefer the spicy one for the Bombay one. Big Bombay, I think it's called. But as I say, I thought I'd try something. I think I'd probably make a lot better myself, especially with that one. Especially if you've done it in the slow cooker, wouldn't you? And leaved it all day. There's some seasoning. There's not the seasoning's not there, is it? But apart from that, yeah, as I say, something simple. I hadn't tried it before. I'd go again, probably once in a blue moon.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If I was hungry in town, you know, I mean, I don't eat McDonald's anyway. What would you prefer, this or McDonald's? Because you have McDonald's,
This.
don't you? You prefer this to McDonald's.
Me and Blake don't really go to McDonald's anymore.
See, so there you go. So yeah, all in all, that's it. Let me know what you think of Subway. Is everyone different how they cook it? I don't know. I don't know if it's just a chain and it's all exactly the same. I wouldn't be able to tell you. But all in all, phone's going now. All in all, as I say, I am the old food guy. So like, just subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you. I'm going live tomorrow. So look out for that. I'm going live tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye. Oh, and I've also got a PO box if anyone's interested. Send me stuff. I'll leave a link in the description. See you later. Bye bye.